The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving with the most significant upgrades this car has seen in 7 years. And if you're about to pull the trigger on the current model, this video is going to make you reconsider that decision. If you've been shopping in the compact segment and keep walking away feeling like nothing on the lot is actually worth the asking price, the 2027 Mazda 3 Hatchback is the car that's going to change that feeling entirely. What's coming is a refreshed design, a next-generation engine, and meaningful improvements to an already class-leading package, all without a significant price increase. Here are 6 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Mazda 3 is a genius move. Number 6. Styling refresh. Let's start with something that often gets overlooked: how well this car has aged. The current generation has been on the market for 7 full years, and that is not a short time in the compact segment. Yet it continues to hold its own against fresher rivals. Clean proportions, a sculpted body, and Mazda's signature Kodo design language have kept this car looking sharp year after year. That's not easy to pull off in a class where everyone is constantly chasing the next big look. The upcoming update is not going to disrupt what already works. The front face is seeing the most noticeable changes, with sharper headlights, revised bumper intakes, and a more sculpted hood, pulling design cues from the next-generation CX-5. The overall silhouette, the roofline, the hatchback's signature greenhouse, all of it stays largely intact. This is exactly the kind of update that rewards patience, pulling the 2027 model into the next chapter without abandoning what made the current one so well regarded. And a sharper exterior is a great start, but a car that looks good at the curb still has to deliver under the hood. And what's coming in that department is where things get genuinely interesting. Number 5. Brand new engine options. The Mazda 3 has never had a powertrain problem. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder has been consistently smooth, and the turbocharged 2.5-liter, good for 250 horsepower, remains one of the fastest options in the compact segment, with a 0 to 60 time of 5.6 seconds that no mainstream rival can match. Both engines are carrying over into the 2027 model year, still competitive, still refined. But think about what it means to own a car for 7 or 8 years. The initial excitement settles, and what's left is the daily reality of fueling it and living with what it costs to run. That's exactly where Mazda's next move is going to matter most. The Skyactive Z engine, Mazda's next-generation gasoline powertrain, is expected to arrive in the 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback. Its Lambda 1 combustion method maintains an ideal air-to-fuel ratio throughout the burn cycle, meaning no wasted fuel, a cleaner combustion process, and better thermal efficiency. More power, better mileage, lower emissions, all without a significant price premium attached. For anyone planning to own their next compact for the long haul, waiting for this powertrain pays off every time you pull up to a fuel pump. Now, a great engine paired with a great exterior is already a compelling package, but neither means much if the cabin doesn't hold up its end of the deal. Number 4. Premium interior. There's a question that comes up every time someone compares the Mazda 3 to the Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla. Why does a car at this price feel like it belongs in a segment above? The answer is the interior. Genuine leather upholstery, solid-feeling controls, and materials that have no business being in a sub-$30,000 compact. Rivals like the Volkswagen Jetta and Subaru Impreza feel noticeably cheaper, and that's something you feel the moment you close the door. And here's a scenario many buyers know well. You spend years driving something affordable and reliable, but every time you get in, the cheap plastics remind you of what you didn't spend. That quiet disappointment adds up. The 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback keeps the premium cabin experience intact while directing attention toward the area drawing the most consistent criticism: rear visibility. The hatchback's thick C-pillars create genuine blind spots that make everyday driving more stressful than it should be. Structural adjustments to the C-pillar design and revised sightlines are expected with the 2027 update, making the car easier to live with without touching what makes it special. That said, a cabin this good deserves a chassis to match, and the Mazda 3's driving experience is something rivals have been struggling to answer for years. Number 3. Class-leading handling. If you've ever driven a Mazda 3 back-to-back with a Civic or a Corolla, something becomes clear almost immediately. The Mazda 3 doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it makes the journey feel worth taking. The steering is direct without being twitchy. Body roll through corners is kept exceptionally tight, and the whole car communicates with the driver in a way that most compact cars simply don't bother with. Many buyers in this segment have driven enough vehicles to know the difference between a car that steers and a car that responds. The Mazda 3 does the latter, settling into corners with a balance that used to cost significantly more. The suspension stays composed through bends, absorbs road imperfections without punishing the cabin, and never feels uncertain at highway speeds. The available 6-speed manual takes this even further, offering a level of engagement that almost no one else in this segment is willing to provide anymore. The 2027 model is carrying every bit of this forward, refined rather than reinvented. A car that drives this well should be working just as hard on technology, and the 2027 model is going to be closing a gap that current owners have noticed for a while. Number 2. Advanced tech features. Technology is one of the most fiercely contested areas in the compact segment, and Mazda hasn't always come out on top. The current infotainment setup, rotary controller, tucked-away screen, divides opinion cleanly. Some appreciate the distraction-free approach. Others find it awkward, particularly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto switching the input method entirely. It's an inconsistency Mazda is well aware of. There's a real frustration that builds when a car gets almost everything right, but makes simple tasks feel unnecessarily complicated. Technology is supposed to reduce friction, not create it. The 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback is going to be closing that gap, with a larger standard touchscreen, fully wireless smartphone integration across more trims, and an updated driver assistance suite are all expected. Whether Mazda follows the industry's push toward heavy digitalization or takes a more measured path that fits the car's character, either direction represents a meaningful leap over what's available today. Buying now means accepting the current system's limitations. Waiting means you won't have to. All of that improvement would mean far less if the price had climbed to match it, but that's where the 2027 Mazda 3 makes its most persuasive case yet. Number 1. Strong value. Here is the thing about the Mazda 3 that doesn't get nearly enough attention. It is delivering a level of quality that costs significantly more in almost every other brand's lineup. A leather-appointed cabin, engaging driving dynamics, strong powertrain options, and build quality that punches well above its segment. None of that is supposed to exist under $30,000. But the Mazda 3 has been making it work for years. Most people don't think about the full cost of buying the wrong car at the wrong time. Not just the sticker price, but the years spent driving something you settled for, knowing a better version was on the way. The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving with every upgrade covered in this video, and base versions are expected to start at around $26,000, with fully loaded turbocharged trims near $38,000, figures consistent with the current model. The refreshed exterior, next-generation engine, improved interior, and updated tech are all coming without a meaningful price increase. In a market where compact cars are quietly creeping past $35,000 at mid-trim levels, that pricing structure is going to remain one of the strongest arguments in the class. The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving as the most complete version of an already exceptional car. A refined exterior built on 7 years of proven design, a next-generation Skyactive Z engine promising real efficiency gains, a cabin that already outclasses everything in this price range, now getting its most persistent flaw corrected, driving dynamics that remain the segment benchmark, technology upgrades that close the gap with more modern rivals, and a starting price holding firm around $26,000. That combination is genuinely difficult to find anywhere else in this class. The compact segment is crowded, and most options ask you to compromise somewhere. The 2027 Mazda 3 is shaping up to be the rare exception to that rule. Obviously, there are so many reasons why so many of us see the Mazda 3 hatchback as a class leader, but that's not all this compact hatchback has to offer, because there's much more hidden deep inside. Make sure to check out our video about the Mazda 3 hidden features and find out more about the secrets that could change your ownership experience completely.